Introducing the Gaggia Classic Espresso Machine, combining advanced technology with a classic design. This espresso machine includes all the benefits of a commercial system. Its design includes brewing and steaming functionality, and there's also a steam wand for heating and frothing milk. And with its brushed stainless steel housing and traditional design, this espresso maker fits nicely with any kitchen decor. Now let's see the features of the Gaggia Classic Espresso Machine. 3-way solenoid valve for immediate pressure release. Brass portafilters and grouphead for enhanced temperature stability. 72-ounce removable water reservoir for effortless cleanups. Stainless steel housing provides a clean classic look which is perfect for any countertop. 17.5 bar pump with high voltage boiler and hot water dispenser. Turbo frother attachment mounted on a ball joint. Rocker switches control power, steaming and brewing. Passively heated cup warmer holds up to 5 demi-tasse cups. Comes with single and double shot stainless steel filter basket, a coffee tamper and a 7-gram measuring scoop. What are customers saying about the Gaggia Classic Espresso Machine? Check out the customer reviews now at bestespressomachinereview.net.